So the last we did was by listening to the Guru's instructions, you get to know that how this entire universe is working, कैसे ये सारा ब्रह्मांड काम कर रहा है, धरती, आकाश और ये तौल जिस बुल की बात कर रहे हैं, जिसके ऊपर की ये धरती बैलेंस कर रही है. So you get that awareness of how all of this is working. This system is balancing on what? Next, here we have Suniye Deep Lo Patal. So in Hindu mythology, there are 7 dweeps, 7 loks, 7 realms, and 7 patal, the lower regions as well. So you get the awareness by only listening to the Naam and being in that awareness, you get the knowledge of the awareness of that how these things are working. Ye lower region, ye higher region, sab kuch. When you get the awareness, you get the knowledge of all the system of the universe, how it is working. Guruji says, Jo pramanda soi pinde, jo khoje so paave. So for the one who searches about it, gets to know about the entire universe that resides inside you. कि सारा ब्रह्मांड अंदर ही है. So Guruji again brings back to you the entire higher regions, lower regions, or whatever belief systems different religions have. Guruji is bringing back inside and telling you that there is only one. There is no separation, there is no duality, only ik. So that's the beauty of the Bani, that wherever it takes you, brings back to you only one, that ik. So next we have Suniye Pona Sakke Kal. So in this, Kal means death. So in this, the virtual meaning is that if you come in that awareness, even death cannot touch you. But इसमें एक्चुअल में ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप जो स्पिरिचुअल वर्कर्स हैं, जो स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर्स हैं, उन्होंने एक्चुअल में प्रैक्टिसेस करके डेथ पे विजय पा ली थी. ऐसा नहीं है. सो बाय दिस गुरुजी मीन्स दैट दे फाउंड द वे टू द अलाइवनेस विद इन देम विच नेवर डाइज. Not this body, but that soul, that Atma we call. That they found the source of that light, that Atma within themselves, and they got to know that aliveness, which is always alive, which is never born. Only the body is born. So that which never dies, if you are in sync with that energy, if you are in connection with that energy, and you know about that energy, as we have read, energy can never be created, can never be destroyed. So you come in the connection with the source, which is inside you. जो आप सब में है, हम सब में है. इन इसमें not my soul, but soul of the soul, that परमात्मा का अंश. All know that death can take everything away from you, but not your soul. Because that's the thing you came here with. You came here with nothing. But just you were born, or your body was born. Your body was born. And that's the moment when the mind was born. And that's the moment that I was born. So Guruji is bringing back reverse back to you that खुद को बाहर खोजना बंद कर, और that I, which created all that outside you, Guruji is taking it back to inwards and bringing you back home. Nanak Bhakta Sada Vikas Suniye Dukh Paap Ka Nas. So that the Bhagats, the masters, the spiritual seekers who have attained this knowledge, this wisdom, who have actually found this aliveness and who are in connection with that aliveness, they are always joyful. Because as we discussed earlier, कि जो दुख की जो उपज है वो हमारे माइंड से ही होती है. द सफरिंग, द दुख, दैट इज बोर्न आउट ऑफ अस, आवर माइंड, नॉट द सोर्स. और सोर्स क्या है? पीस का सोर्स है. दुख पाप का नाश, नानक भक्ता सदा विकास. दैट द भगत्स always vikas, they remain in that joyful and aliveness mode. Guruji is giving us that Suniye Dukh Paap Ka Nas like a guarantee, because when you actually ready to accept whatever is happening as it is, then there's no dukh. When you cannot accept what is happening, and हम जब flow के against बहते हैं वही, रिवर के अगेंस्ट हम बहते हैं, तब हमारी वो दुख और सफरिंग होती है. जब हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं हुक्म एंड फ्लोइंग विद द हुक्म, देन you stay joyful, you stay playful, and you're fully alive and fully present. Like you've seen small children's, they are fully alive. A 5-year-old children who doesn't have any eye. ये eye की formation भी हम ही उन्हें देते हैं. You know, this starts at the age of 5 when we give them toys, we give them things to possess. ये हमसे ही शुरू होता है. जब हम उनको ये ईगो डेवलप करना सिखाते हैं, ये मेरी चीज है, दिस इज माई टॉय, दिस इज माई बिलोंगिंग, यू कैन नॉट टच दिस. सो system is such that you develop that ego since the beginning. Throughout your life, you live with that ego until and unless you get that awareness and you eradicate that ego in yourself. And finally connect with your true self, your true nature. So if we brief it, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying that life is difficult, but there is a way to make it easier by taking the Naam. And they are not saying that the Pagats have actually silenced their mind. We have read it earlier, हमने ये बात पढ़ी है पहले भी कि ये नहीं है कि नानक के भगत हैं जो उन्होंने ये माइंड को बिल्कुल साइलेंस कर दिया है, चुप्पे चुप ना हो. वी हैव रेड दैट. सो दे हैव एक्चुअली स्टॉप्ड एसोसिएटिंग विद द माइंड and they have realized their connection with their self, with the Naam. बहुत जन्म बिछड़े थे माधो, ए जन्म तुम्हारे लिखे. That I've wasted lots and lots of lifetimes in this illusion, living in this illusion. But this lifetime, I want to contemplate and take your Naam and live with that vibration, that Naam, that consciousness.